in the uncharted realms of our galaxy, hidden from the naked eye, roam the loneliest wanderers of the cosmos. Did you know there are planets adrift in space, unbound to any star, wandering through the darkness all on their own? The existence of these rogue planets challenges the very foundations of our understanding of planetary systems. What leads a planet to become a rogue, cast away from its star, destined to roam the galaxy in solitude? The origins of these interstellar outcasts are as varied as they are fascinating. Imagine worlds, once brimming with potential for life, now cast into the eternal night. Yet, in their silence, they tell a story of cosmic ballets, gravitational dances that sometimes unfortunately end in separation. Without the warmth of a star, these planets exist in perpetual darkness. Cold, mysterious, and invisible, they evade detection, yet their presence is undeniable. How can we uncover these hidden worlds that float in the vast emptiness? The hunt for rogue planets is not merely for the sake of discovery. Understanding these nomads could unravel the mysteries of planetary formation, migration, and the dynamic processes that shape our universe. Could these wandering planets harbor life? It's a question that defies the odds. Without sunlight, life as we know it would struggle to survive. Yet the universe has a way of surprising us. Subsurface oceans heated by planetary cores, protected by thick ice shells, could potentially support life. These solitary worlds could be cosmic time capsules, carrying the secrets of the early universe, untouched by the influence of stars. What tales, frozen in time, could they tell us? What lost histories do they hold in their dark embrace? Rogue planets, in their silent voyage through the cosmos, remind us of the incredible diversity and vastness of our universe. They challenge our perceptions, inviting us to explore, to question, and to marvel at the mysteries that await us in the darkness. As we stand on the brink of new discoveries, we invite you to join us on this journey of exploration. If you're fascinated by the mysteries of the cosmos and crave more adventures into the unknown, subscribe to our channel. And before you go, we have a question for you. What do you think lies hidden on the surface of a rogue planet? Could these celestial wanderers be the key to discovering life beyond our solar system? Share your thoughts, ask questions, and let us know what mysteries you want us to explore next. Together, let's uncover the secrets of the universe, one rogue planet at a time.